we are going to focus on comparing two 3-digit numbers using some math symbols. So before we start with that, I want to ask you guys, what are some math symbols that you know? Just raise your hand and let me know.
Cosine.
Ari, if you please raise your hand, I'd appreciate it. Chad?
The addition symbol, plus sign.
Plus sign, perfect. I don't remember your name, I'm so sorry.
Catherine.
Catherine?
Minus.
Minus, okay.
Division.
Division. Perfect. These are all great math symbols, guys. Anything else?
Oh, yeah.
Ari, thank you for raising your hand. Addition. Good. We have that up here.
I wasn't paying attention.
Amber, do you have another one?
Yeah, greater than and less than.
Oh, greater than.
Look at
less
you.
than. Okay. So. Okay. Anybody else? Megan.
Equal.
Equal to. Perfect. So, if you notice, I wrote these three in a different color because that's what we're going to be focusing on today. So let's take a look at our learning target. If you'd read it with me, that would be great.
I can compare two 3-digit numbers and identify which is greater than, less than, or if the two are equal using the symbols this, and this.
Using these
Alligator.
symbols.
Yes.
Great. So,
What does identify mean?
that means that I made a teacher mistake and didn't spell identify correctly. So, we're going to take a look over here at this anchor chart that I've started for us. You'll see that I've written these three symbols here, and those are three of the ones that you guys already pointed out. So, can someone raise your hand? Which one do you think this symbol is? Megan?
Less than.
Less than. Great. Perfect. So, do you have a strategy or a way that you know that this is less than, or do you just know that somehow?
I have a strategy.
Perfect. All right, you have a strategy.
It's like when you're reading a book. It's always left to right.
Always left to right.
So if the little end's on the left, then it's less than.
Oh, that's a great strategy. So you'll notice here, this is the small side. So if the small number is on this side, then it means less than. And if the big number is on this side, that's going to be the greater than side. So what's another way that we could see that that means less than? Yeah.
It looks like a mouth.
It looks like a mouth. So we could think of it like an alligator. So let's draw some teeth in here. Big old alligator mouth. So alligators are always hungry, right? So if the mouth is facing the other way, that's going to be where the big number goes. So you know that this is less than because the alligator is trying to eat the bigger number, right? So we just learned that this is less than. So now let's go down to this one. What do you think this symbol means? Anybody have an idea?
Equal.
Chad. Thank you for raising your hand, Chad.
Greater than.
Greater than. Perfect. How did you know that? Did you use one of the strategies that we just learned?
Yeah, I just used that it was opposite of less than.
Oh, perfect. That's a great way to use your resources and know that it's going to be the opposite. That is an awesome way to figure out what something means. So remember, we learned about the alligator mouth. So the alligator is going to be eating the big number. So that is going to be greater than. And also, as we learned up here, if the big side is on this side, that's where the big number goes. And the small number goes on the other side. Okay, so can someone raise your hand and tell me one more time, what is this symbol called?
Big.
Amber.
Greater than.
Greater than, thank you. So the last one that I think is going to be pretty easy for you guys. What is this symbol?
Equal to.
Equal to. Ari, thank you for raising your hand.
Equal to.
Good. This is the equal to side.
This is like really
Does anybody
realistic.
know another word that we could use that also means equal to? Yeah. Same. Same. Perfect. So this means the same. So if we have a number on either side of this, those two numbers are going to be the same or equal to. So if we look at this example down here, I have 137 blank 234. So we're going to choose one of these symbols to put in here. Does anybody have an idea of what symbol it would be? Chad.
Well, the alligator has to eat the bigger number.
True. The alligator has to eat the bigger number. So which number is the bigger number? 137 or 234?
I think 234.
Perfect. And we know that because we looked at the hundreds place, and 2 is bigger than 1. So there are 2 hundreds instead of 1. So we'll put the alligator mouth in here. So we would read this as 137 is less than 234. So perfect. So this is a great resource that you can use when you're doing your work later today. I'm going to leave this up on the wall so you'll be able to use these strategies here and figure out which is less than, greater than, or equal to. And what I'd like you to do now is turn to your shoulder partner and discuss these three symbols. Are you still confused? You get them? Talk with each other and see what you can come up with. And I'll walk around and see what I hear.
I think I understand all
I
of
was
them.
never confused, Chad.
So it sounds like the two of you got it. Is that right?
So,
Okay. Perfect. So
My
Yeah,
mom,
well-
one time, gave my brother a piece of cake that was greater than my piece of cake.
oh, how did that make you feel?
I was okay because I was full.
Oh, perfect. The alligator.